Welcome back to Spy Garage.
An unparalleled combination of custom luxury and sturdy, high-performance military-grade engineering may be found in the upcoming 2026 Rolls-Royce Military Premium Motorhome. This hypothetical vehicle envisions a mobile refuge of unmatched sophistication and formidable capability, going beyond the traditional conception of both luxurious vacation cars and practical military transports. In keeping with Rolls-Royce's subtle beauty, the external design would probably forego overt martial aesthetics in favor of a more discreetly commanding presence. But underneath the painstakingly designed panels, one may anticipate a sophisticated armor system that can endure a great deal of stress. With a heavy-duty, all-terrain suspension system designed for outstanding stability and traversal across a variety of difficult terrains, the vehicle would have a commanding stance and a higher ride height. The vehicle's dual nature would be hinted at by subtly integrating military-grade lighting and communication arrays with the renowned Rolls-Royce shape. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Military Premium Motorhome's powertrain would require a powerful yet incredibly dependable engine that could effortlessly move the vehicle's significant load. In challenging off-road situations, a high-tech four-wheel drive system combined with cutting-edge traction control and differential locking systems would guarantee the best possible mobility and control. A trademark of military engineering, the integration of redundant vital systems would provide operational continuity even under challenging conditions. Entering the 2026 Rolls-Royce Military Premium Motorhome would be like entering an unmatched mobile mansion. The best materials, such as rare exotic veneers, silky Connolly leather, and custom metalwork, would be used to construct the interior. The design would be carefully thought out to optimize comfort and security, possibly including secure communication centers and subtly reinforced sections. A fully furnished gourmet kitchen with top-notch appliances, opulent bedrooms with private bathrooms, and a large living space for rest and strategic planning are just a few of the amenities. Regardless of the outside circumstances, sophisticated climate control and noise isolation technologies would guarantee a calm and peaceful atmosphere. Modern military-grade communication and navigation technologies would be seamlessly integrated with Rolls-Royce's custom infotainment and connection suites in a sophisticated manner. The architecture of the vehicle would covertly integrate sophisticated mapping and terrain analysis software, secure satellite communication, and extensive situational awareness capabilities. In order to keep residents informed and connected in any setting, the focus would be on user-friendly operation and unwavering dependability. A very exclusive group of customers looking for an unmatched combination of the highest level of luxury and unwavering capabilities would be served by the 2026 Rolls-Royce Military Premium Motorhome. It would be a mobile fortress of refinement that could traverse the most difficult terrains while providing its occupants with an oasis of custom elegance, demonstrating both discerning taste and readiness for any situation. In addition to being a means of mobility, this vehicle would serve as a mobile command center, a safe haven, and evidence of the smooth merging of two seemingly unrelated realms.